Pearson Terminal 3 International Arrival. As soon as you exit the gate, turn left and walk to where you take the TTC. So, since we're in Terminal 3, if you want to take the Road Express, you typically take the train to Terminal 1. I have given that the video in the past, but today I will do that because we want to take the public bus to from Terminal 3 instead of going all the way to Terminal 1. So public buses here, we're at Gate E. You basically have to walk all the way to the end, pretty much. Rideshare is also here at the end. That's where we'll go. Head up this way. See parking station. Bus stop is up there. Let's go across the street here. Can't see the bus. We're between the C12. Oh, perfect. C8, 52 Lawrence bus. This is the fastest way where you can go from Terminal 3 to the TTC. You don't need to go to Terminal 1.